Our app is available on both iPhone and Android devices. For iPhone devices, simply download it through the Appstore, and for Android devices, download it through the Playstore. So downloading simply refers to the installation of the app to your phone. So in the event that you need to track or manage your vehicle, you can simply log in through the app. Once you search for FINATRACK in either the App Store or the Play Store, you can simply click on the name and then click on install. After installing the app, you can then click on open. And now your app is ready. Simply allow any prompt which might appear and you'll be ready to start tracking.